My heart is beating so fast.
Is a lady.
Of course, we know he's a lady. Oh God, I want either of them to win, but I really want Ilebaye to win. God, please. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've been screaming so much. My throat is paining me. I've been trying to like get myself together before I start filming this video, but my excitement is not going down anytime soon. The adrenaline rush is still so high, so I might just as well make this video because I don't think it's going to go away even throughout this week. Oh my God. I'm sure by now you guys already know that Ilebaye fucking Bbnaija, aka the resident Gen Z baddie, and in her own voice, purr, has now emerged the winner of the Big Brother Naija All-Star season. Oh my God, guys. Massive congratulations to her. I am so happy. I'm sure a lot of people are also as happy as I am, aside from some haters. I'm going to give you guys a rundown of everything that happened tonight from the beginning to the end. So let's dive right into the video. So apologies in advance if you guys hear any background noise. Just know it's actually raining, and I'm also not going to be giving you guys every single detail that happened tonight. If not, this video will be ridiculously lengthy. I'm just going to highlight the important things. So the show started as usual. Ebuka opened it, but this time he opened it with a bang by flinging envelopes and telling us about the new things that they introduced this season, like the parrots, the jury, the pardon me, the black envelopes, and the rest. And after that, Skills the artist performed. I'm sure you guys know who Skills is. And after his performance, we went into the house where Big Brother serenaded the finalists. You guys know how Big Brother does it every season. On the finale day, he will always hype up the finalists, give them encouraging words, and he ended with his famous line, Big Brother is always watching. And straight up after that, Ebuka evicted Cross, which was very much expected. He joined Ebuka on stage, who asked him if he feels in the end he was worth it to buy his way to the finals for 4 million naira via Omashola and Neo. I already explained all that in my other video, so you can go check it out. And Cross said yes, that he feels like it was worth it because he got to share the finals with 5 other amazing people. And then Ebuka showed him where Kimopra was among the audience and told him to say something to her. And Cross was like, hey, gay, I've missed you. I can't wait to have a good time with you. And after that, Ebuka went back into the house and carried out another eviction. To no surprise, it was Pere. He spoke to Ebuka briefly on stage, and Ebuka asked him what's up with him and Messi. You guys know that this past week, they've been shipping, you know, and he said that it's actually a genuine friendship that can lead to anywhere. And Ebuka also asked him of Kimopra, and he said it's also a genuine friendship without adding the last part that he added for Messi. And I'm like, okay, oh. And after he left the stage, Ebuka is so shady. Ebuka said Kimopra's booze, Pere and Cross are out of the house, and it was so freaking hilarious. And by the way, Tokema Kinwa was in another location. I think they said VI with the viewers and some of the sponsors of the show, which she actually spoke to. And after that, they went to Miss Vix, who was with Uriel, an ex-housemate, like you guys already know. And you guys know that back in the house, Uriel was crushing hard on Neo. In fact, even after she left the house, during all her media rounds, it was always Neo, and that their epic kiss, which she gave him, she initiated it. And at the point, it became very cringe and embarrassing because this guy never even spoke about her once after she left the house, but she made him the topic of conversation all through her media rounds. Anyway, Miss Vix asked her that, oh, what's up with you and Neo? Are you guys going to have anything outside? And she was like, no, the house is the house and outside is outside. We're keeping it pushing. I say, okay, oh, no qualms. I reserve my comments. She also asked her who she thinks will be top 2, and she said Ilebaye and Sisi. And then Ebuka went back into the house and he evicted Adekunle, to no surprise at all. And he joined Ebuka on stage, who asked him how he feels to be a second-time finalist and getting so close to the Mola. And he said he feels good, that he's grateful. And after playing his highlights, Ebuka asked him to say something to Venita, who is somewhere in the audience. And he was like, hi, Queen of Dragons, I be Mother of Dragons, something like that, Sha. And I'm like, is that the only thing you have to say to your boo? That was very hilarious. He was not even asking her to stand up. I said, stand up for what? Anyway, I'm moving on. Ebuka then went back into the house, and before carrying out the next eviction, he congratulated the ladies on coming this far, because this is the first time in Big Brother Naija history that we're having the same gender as top 3 or top 2. It's always one boy and a girl, but this time it's all girls. And after that, we saw the eviction of Sisi, and you guys, her eviction was so shocking that even she herself was shocked. Watch this.
Sisi!
She was so flabbergasted by her eviction that she did not even know when she blurted out, "God damn it." This babe was so confident that Ilebaye was going to leave before her, but God obviously had other plans. Then she joined Ebuka on stage, who asked her what was next for her, and she said her movie production, films generally, and then Ebuka showed her Neo and Ike among the live audience and asked her who she missed more among the both of them, and she said she actually missed Ike, but Ebuka was like, "Oh, sorry, Neo." And then they went back into the house where our top two babes, Ilebaye and Mercy, were sitting pretty, and for the last time, Big Brother hyped them up again, gave them some words of encouragement and bid them farewell, and they left the house together holding hands. And then they showed us around the house for the final time this season. You guys know they always do this at the end of every season. They show us every part of the house, and you guys, I'm not even going to lie, I'm really going to miss the house. I'm also going to miss the housemates, not all of them, just some, because to be honest, I was already overseeing some of their faces. So yeah, I'm glad they're off my screens. And for the final performance of the night, we had Benson, aka Buju, and after his performance, Ebuka spoke to the two top babes, Ilebaye and Mercy, and he asked Ilebaye why she did not seem surprised every time that she was saved from possible eviction back to back, and she said she knew she had God on her side. And then Ebuka asked her what's next for her going forward, and she said, "Oh, building her empire." And Ebuka was like, "Oh, what's the empire all about?" And she said, "Gen Z body." And I'm like, Ilebaye, did you not understand that question? In fact, let's just say that she didn't understand it because the emotions are high. Then Ebuka spoke to Mercy, and Mercy was already so emotional, so much so that she was already crying. And Ebuka was asking her why she was crying, and she said it's because of the love that she's getting from the live audience, that she did not believe that after 4 years of coming on the show, people would still love her this much. And to be very honest with you guys, I thought I heard them chanting "Baye, Baye," but maybe I did not hear well, or Mercy is the one that thought they were chanting her name. And he asked her about her thing with Perry, and similar to what Perry said, she said that they're just friends. But you guys, I'm curious to see how that dynamic is going to play out outside the house, because I really like the two of them together. And finally, we got to the long-awaited moment of the night, the highlight of the entire night, where Ebuka declared Ilebaye as the winner. And you guys, Ilebaye lost her mind. She was crawling on the floor, as you can see. Me, I was shouting in my house. I was screaming for joy. Like you could hear at the beginning of this video, I was so happy for her. Oh my God, it was such a fulfilling moment, to be very honest, considering the fact that majority of the housemates did not want her to win. In fact, almost all of them, aside from a selected few that were rooting for her in and outside the house, the majority of them did not want her to win. In fact, they even looked down at their level. They felt like, oh, level up housemates should not be there, that they are beneath them. Now look who's on top now. The same people, or one of the people that you guys felt like, oh, they were beneath you guys. So it was such a fulfilling moment. I was just remembering the time that Kidwaya referred to her as a red meat that is ready to be chowed by lions, when Venita called her a toddler in a China shop. They said all sorts of derogatory things about this girl, even before she started triggering people, because to be fair, there were times she went out of her way to trigger people, and I'm not even going to lie about that. Let's keep it 100. But were they condescending towards her? Severally. Did they bully her multiple times? They did so much more to her than she ever did to them. First came Tolani Badge, then there was Venita, then there was Kidwaya, there was Sheyi, there was Ike, there was Sisi, there was Neo and Cross at some point. It was a lot. I can't even remember everyone now. But I remember vividly during the early weeks of the show when Venita said that, oh, Ilebaye does not look like she comes from anywhere good, that she can actually plan for her and her family, all because they had a disagreement. You can actually disagree with somebody without threatening them or be condescending towards them. Kidwaya also said that, oh, she's a red hanging meat that is ready to be chowed any moment. She needs to leave ASAP so them, the OGs, can play the game full time. Sheyi and Tolani slut shamed her. Sisi said she's going to drag her if she wins the show. Mercy and Venita were even dragging production that it's their fault for bringing up level up housemates into the All-Star season. It was a lot, to be very honest. And for the housemates and some of the viewers, especially for the housemates that will come out and say, oh, it's pity votes and pity win, guess what? You guys gave her something to work with. She didn't just wake up one morning and start acting the pity strategy out of nowhere. You gave her something to work with, and she milked it to perfection. And even when they still realized, they later realized that, okay, this girl is using this particular strategy, instead of them to do what they should have done, which is stop talking about her, don't try to isolate her, just act like you don't know what's going on. Guess what they did? They doubled down. They amplified it the more. They kept on talking and talking about it for weeks. You would think they know better because they always form, oh, we are OGs, we are OGs. You would think they know better, but they actually don't. Even after the 4 house guests got into the house, Kimopra and Prince especially, they told them in many ways than one that you guys need to stop bullying this girl. You need to stop picking on her. This girl has arisers outside. You need to stop trying to even seclude her or anything anything like that. Stop analyzing our strategy. Stop doing all of that. They refused. They kept on going on and on and on about it. So now why are you coming here to cry pity votes? You're crying over spilled milk, and it's pathetic. She won already. Deal with it. And also, big ups to Mercy and Cece, because it's not easy to come back to Big Brother after so many years and still bag the title of first runner-up or second runner-up. It's not easy at all. So kudos to them and their individual fan bases. And big ups to the rest of the housemates who also gave us premium entertainment. I'm not going to lie, this season has been very entertaining, but it has also been very, very toxic. At a point, I couldn't even wait for the show to end, and I'm also happy that it has come to an end. Thank you, Big Brother, for entertaining us. Thank you to the housemates. We're going to miss you guys. We love you guys. We wish you guys all the best in life. Once again, massive congratulations to the winner of the Big Brother Naija All-Stars Season 8, Ilebaye Odini, aka the Gen Z body. I am so happy for you, baby girl. I wish you all the best things of life and all that you wish yourself. And before I go, this is how you guys voted for the final round. Once again, kudos to Mercy, AK, and Cece's fan bases. They actually did great, because as you can see, the margin is not that wide. And to you guys that have been watching my videos from the beginning of the season till now we've come to the end, I'm really grateful. I know I wasn't so consistent for different reasons, but you guys were watching regardless. I really appreciate you. And just because Big Brother is over, that doesn't mean the videos are going to stop. No, it only gets better from here. So you have to turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.